Welcome, viewers, to another fascinating journey into the life of an extraordinary individual. Today, we dive into the captivating biography of Dhirendra Brahmachari, a man whose life was intertwined with the ancient practice of yoga. Our story begins in a small village in Bihar, India, where Dhirendra Brahmachari was born on February 12, 1924, as Dhirendra Choudhary. He was a yoga teacher of Yogi Bhajan, who taught kundalini yoga in the West. Dhirendra Brahmachari was also the yoga mentor of Indira Gandhi, the former Prime Minister of India. He had ashrams in various parts of India. As Dhirendra grew, so did his passion for yoga. At 12, after reading in the Bhagavad Gita about Krishna's words, urging one to become a yogi, Dhirendra Brahmachari decided to follow this path. With determination and devotion, he left his family early to find a guru. Despite encountering many supposed masters, he struggled to find a genuine one due to some being deceitful or imposing strict rules about appearance, which he rejected. After years of wandering, he found himself in a desperate situation. He once mentioned, "I had no more ideas of a guru. My mind was absolutely empty." In this state of despair, he finally met his guru, Maharshi Kartikeya, at an ashram in Gopalkera near Lucknow. It is said that his guru's age was over 300 years. He was a very powerful yogi. Under his guidance, Dhirendra practiced pranayama in an underground cave, achieving complete inner peace and progressing to higher levels of yoga. Now, a SWAMI, Siddha, and yoga master, his guru instructed him to teach yoga kriyas publicly. His charismatic personality attracted people from all walks of life to learn authentic yoga practices. This marked the beginning of his journey as a respected yoga teacher. Alongside his teachings, he wrote books on yoga. In 1956, Dhirendra's first book, Yogic Sukshma Vyayama, was published in Calcutta. Sukshma means small, and Vyayama means movements or exercises to strengthen the body joints. Sukshma Vyayama is a system of yogic practices that loosens your joints and removes energy blockages. This system has a strong purifying effect thus, boosting the body's energy. Yogic Sukshma Vyayamas are safe, rhythmic, repetitive stretching movements synchronized with breathing. There are a total of 48 yogic Sukshma Vyayama. Sukshma Vyayama is a specific ancient technique of yogic postures and dynamic movements that was introduced by Swami Dhirendra Brahmachari. The other beautiful and more important aspect of yogic Sukshma Vyayama is that it is the only system of exercises in the world where every part of the body, including each organ, each joint, and each muscle is taken into consideration, and a particular exercise or set of exercises associated with a specific type of breathing in a specific type of position with a specific point of mental concentration is prescribed. There is a separate set of exercises for the gross body, Stula Vyayama. During the 1960s, he received an invitation to Russia to serve as a hatha yoga expert, training Soviet cosmonauts. Contrary to popular belief, before embracing yoga, Dhirendra was a skilled pilot and even served in the Indian Air Force during World War II. It's a testament to the diverse paths life can take us on. He earned the nickname the Flying Swami. Swamiji made New Delhi his home, initially becoming the teacher of then Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru. Following this, Jawaharlal Nehru extended an invitation for him to teach yoga to his daughter Indira Gandhi, aiming to enhance her health. It is believed that he played a significant role in guiding Mrs. Gandhi's vision and ideas. He was the owner of Vishwayathan Yogashram, in the center of Delhi, now known as the Morarji Desai National Institute of Yoga. In 1970, he authored his second book, Yogasana Vijnana, widely regarded as the best guide on correct yoga posture practice. His remarkable abilities and insights made him famous, even becoming a notable political figure due to the high regard Indira Gandhi held for his advice. Swamiji established large ashrams in Delhi, Jammu, Katra, Lucknow, and Mantalai, a small village in Kashmir, where thousands learned and found inspiration under his guidance. In 1988, he expressed deep disappointment that most people practiced yoga only on the surface. Despite having numerous followers and disciples, he felt none were truly ready to embrace the path of a yogi. Consequently, he withdrew from public teachings and focused solely on Reinhard Gammenthaler, his last disciple, who demonstrated genuine devotion and eagerness to learn. Swamiji spent extended periods with him in the mountains of Mantalai, strengthening the yoga foundation laid in 1979. In early June 1994, he announced his final departure from this world at the ashram in Delhi. A few days later, on June 9, 1994, he met a tragic end when the small single-engine plane he was in crashed on a mountainside near Mantalai in Jammu and Kashmir. In 1981, when asked if he planned to depart the world like his guru Maharshi Kartikeya, who entered Mahasamadhi in 1953 at the age of 336, Swamiji responded, "I would very much like to do so if I don't die in a plane crash." As we conclude this journey into the life of Dhirendra Brahmachari, let us reflect on the profound impact one individual can have on the world. Behind the scenes, Dhirendra was an avid poet, expressing his reflections on life, spirituality, and love through his verses. His poetic side remained relatively hidden from the public eye. Through his teachings, he bridged ancient wisdom with the modern era, leaving an indelible mark on the path of yoga. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of Dhirendra Brahmachari's life. Remember, the essence of yoga is not just in the poses, but in the journey within. Until next time, stay inspired and keep exploring. Stay safe, stay sattvic,